Hi, this is Caroline from SewCanShe, and I'm so excited to share with you the kit for my Choose Joy Block of the Month Quilt Club. I received the kit in the mail today. This is the Ruby Star Society Speckled Fabrics Kit. So I am going to sew along and make another Choose Joy quilt using this beautiful kit with fabrics from Garden Song Fabrics. So let's do an unboxing video so I can show you everything that came in the kit. All right, so you see that I already looked in the box. I really wanted to share with you everything that you get in the kit for this Block of the Month quilt. Now, just so you know, the kit is completely optional. You can, of course, just use fabrics from your stash, but this kit is available if you like. So this is the Ruby Star Society Speckled Kit. There are 3 different kits available for the Block of the Month quilt. And the kit comes with a little printout that tells you what it came with. Now, I'm going to open to the page that tells everything in the kit so we can just check it. So the background fabric for this quilt is graphite. This is a Bella solid cotton fabric from Moda. So we have 3 yards of graphite for our background fabric. Ooh. Here is our turquoise speckled, and we should have ½ yard of this. Wow, that's pretty. It's nice that she put little labels on all of the pieces so we know what it's for. I love that. Okay. And here we have our neon pink. It's funny that this color is called neon pink, even though it's a beautiful creamy color with just speckles of gold and the neon pink. So this is right here, 3/4 yard. And here's the teal. Ooh, I love this dark, beautiful color. So pretty. And here is the peony. Looks like I have a yard of this. So pretty, and it contrasts well with the speckled metallic in berry. So it looks like it's all here. The binding fabric, we've got here also the neon pink. And let's see here, 1 yard of the Pellon SF101 in white. So this is going to help us in months 3 and 10 for doing some applique work and also some piecing. And this is one of my favorite things about the kits. This was Vivian's idea. Vivian had the idea to pre-print our applique pieces onto the backs of some pieces of Seam Light. And that means that for the people who ordered the kits, you do not need to trace your applique pieces onto Heat and Bond Light or some other fusible web adhesive, which is what I normally do. But that won't be necessary for me this time because I have these pieces that I'll just have to cut out and then fuse them onto my fabric. So it looks like they all fit on 2 pieces. So that's awesome. So that's the kit for our beautiful Ruby Star Society Speckled version of the Choose Joy quilt. I am just loving these fabrics. I think they are going to be so gorgeous together. And then having these printed pieces for my applique gets me so excited to work on my quilt. Whether you're using fabrics from your stash or you ordered a kit, I am so excited to sew along with you in our Choose Joy Block of the Month quilt. Check out the links in the area below to find out how to join. Happy sewing!